My name is Michael Bleichner. I am the Managing Director and owner of Grün Team in Eberhardzell. We are located here in beautiful Upper Swabia and work in the green industry, in gardening, landscaping and forestry with our 60 employees. Digital processes make managing our workload much easier. We use STIHL Connected for all our small machines, chainsaws, brush cutters, blowers and hedge trimmers. And since we now have over 100 tools in use, we need a system to manage these devices and their use accordingly. We have a central planning program and have also implemented STIHL Connected. So we always know which vehicle is on the road with which tool, including the small machines and where. The advantages of STIHL Connected for us are that we have a complete overview of all the equipment in our digital work system. We always know where the tools are, where they have been used, and how long it has been used for. We can then also evaluate where our costs and earnings have been incurred.
I'm Raphael Herz. I've worked here since 2019. I'm responsible for picking plants and for the workshop, warehouse and fleet management. My job as a fleet manager at Grün Team includes the provision and maintenance of the machines, so it's really helpful to know which machines are used where and for how long. I have a quicker overview via the PC or via the app on my phone and can immediately see which machine is ready for use or which is not. So, with the changes in fleet management over the last 10 years, machines are now being serviced more often. And, as a result, they're on the field longer. And there's less downtime due to connected. From my point of view, digitization in landscaping is the future. It will make our job so much easier that we will no longer be able to manage without it.